me, it was just hard.
Bee's knees, take two.
Take two, I only do one take. This is Absolut Drinks with Rico. I'm Rico, and today I'm gonna show you how to make the bee's knees. Gin, honey, lemon. We're gonna get those floral notes that are coming straight from the gin. Honey there is immaculate, balanced out with the lemon. It is what it says. It is what it says? It is what it is, delicious. It's the gin sour that you didn't know you needed. But don't forget to stick around to see if it will vodka in our second drink. Let's get into it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and you'll never miss a drink. First of all, what is in the bee's knees? You are gonna need some great lemon juice. Don't forget to juice fresh. Honey syrup. Honey syrup is just honey and water, and you're gonna need some good old-fashioned London dry gin, and we're gonna be using some beefeater today. Let's get into it and let's start to prep all our ingredients. First up with the lemon juice. Get your little apparati. Apparati, what a head. Get yourself a little jug to collect your lemon juice in, and whichever form of juicer you prefer, and give it a squeeze. Next up, we're gonna make some honey syrup. 3 parts honey, 1 part water. I'm just gonna go straight in. So there we have 150 mils of honey. Now we're just gonna add up 50 mils of hot water. Easiest way to do this, boil a little bit of water in a kettle. We wanna bring that up to the 200 mil mark. Then just get a spoon, any spoon, and start to give it a little stir. And what you'll see is the honey's gonna start to loosen up. So now, it's a little bit more easier to pour and to make drinks with. So, we've got everything prepped. We've got our juice, we've got our honey syrup. All we need to do is add our gin, so let's get into it. Cheapest ingredient first, the lemon juice. And what we want is 25 mils of lemon juice per drink going straight in. So now we want 15 mil per drink of that honey syrup going straight in. And now, with some gin. Per drink, we want 45. A prohibition drink. People throwing stuff. I'm against littering, guys. What is the story behind the bee's knees? Bee's knees is a drink from 1920s prohibition era, and it's come all the way as far as we are today. That's all you're getting. So, we've got our juice, we've got our honey syrup, we've got our gin. The only thing to do now is give it a damn fine shake. Shake it till it's nice and cold. A little tip for you, it's exactly like cooking. Never put hot food on a cold plate, and you should never put a cold drink in a hot glass. Keep your glasses in the freezer is a nice little tip. Let me go grab some. So now we just need your hawthorn and our fine strainer, and we're good to go. And there we have it, guys. The bee's knees. Fresh, delicious. You'll notice there's no garnish. Hey, Per. It's not legal, Per, just so you know. Hey, how are you? No. I'm in the middle of shooting YouTube, so you're also on camera right now. Just so you guys know at home, in case you want to use this is Per from Kippers. Per is our supplier down in Aarhus, looks after all our catering if you ever come and visit us. He's just got the Absolut Cocktail book, and he's congratulating us on great movies. Buy the Absolut Cocktail book. Per says so. Per, have you subscribed to the channel yet? What do you mean no? That's the wrong answer. Subscribe. Just like you guys, subscribe. Thank you very much, Per. All right. Thank you. But now I'm gonna go because I need to go back to shooting. I've totally lost where the I was now. Bee's knees, real nice. You can make this with your favorite type of honey. The honey's really gonna make the drink totally different. Whether you use like a light honey or a real dark honey, completely different drinks. Give it a go, it is delish. But I know what you're waiting for. Don't drop off yet, because we need to figure out Will It Vodka. Okay, so the question is, Will It Vodka? We're gonna try and do a vodka version of the bee's knees right now, and we're just gonna call it the knees bees. Let's get into it. We're gonna stick with exactly the same recipe. We're just gonna switch out the gin for the vodka. We want 50 ml of our lemon juice going straight in, 30 of our honey syrup straight in, and then per drink we want 45 Absolut Vodka. All we need to do now is give this a shake with some ice. Straight from the freezer, nice chilled glasses. I'm gonna garnish this with a little bit of orange zest like so. And again, we just wanna get those beautiful little orange notes over it. And there you go, guys. The knees bees. Very good, very good. You do no longer have the floral notes from the gin, but those orange notes coming from the zest, the lemon, and the good quality honey that we used is made a very, very elegant drink. Perfect at any time of the year, to be quite honest. And again, you can switch this drink up depending on which honey you prefer. Get into it, the knees bees.